Tips for drawing up home floor plans. A home is the result of the homeowner's strenuous efforts in finding the right balance between costs, designs and spaces. Designing a home that is customized to suit a family's needs calls for a lot of careful forethought to include all the elements that are required without tilting the balance too much. One of the most significant choices to make regarding designing a home is the layout or the floor plan. Regardless of whether it is a mid-sized apartment, a penthouse or an independent home, the layout or the floor plans depend a great deal on the lifestyle of the people who will live in it. The choice of building type, that is single-story or multiple stories, and floor plans to match the layout of the house positioning each area can be highly demanding and stressful because the rooms have to go with the flow of the house. One area or space cannot be placed or positioned wrongly, as it can greatly affect accessibility as well as other factors like lighting, ventilation, etc.